we started to move stuff to the new shop that I just rented down here. I just dropped off the big engine crane that I bought and a few other things, and now I'm just ripping back to have lunch. Then we're gonna go pick up the huge sheet metal shaping thing that I bought, and after lunch some more stuff. So should be a pretty busy day. Pretty excited. Start moving in. Now we're on the way to pick up the giant bead roller that I bought, so that should be pretty interesting. It's going to be super heavy, probably a little more than what this truck was made for, but I'm sure we'll find a way to get it done. Deixa eu dar uma vídeo desse. Almost got it. Come on.
Não dá pra tirar? Dá. Tira ela. Mas eu não sou simples.
So this is the last thing leaving the shop before I get in. Now it's empty. The truck's just coming to pick it up. Now it's just my stuff. And a lot of space. Alright, so there we have it. It's all washed. I don't know if it shows too much on the video, but it looks way less grungy in here now. Way more bright, way less full sawdust. Now it's just a matter of doing the floors, and then we can start moving stuff in. Got a bucket full of sawdust off the walls. Some from the floor too, but mostly the walls. Just sawdust everywhere. Well, I got all done this side here, so that's all nice and clean now. A couple things though. These power outlets in the floor, like you can't help but just fill them up with water. So of course these are all live wires. One we got running the camera. On the other side we got that one running the pressure washer. Of course there's only one shut off, one breaker for this whole property. So it's pretty easy to shut it off. But if I do shut it off, I can't run the pressure washer. So that makes things a bit dangerous. Some of these wires here, you know, like this power cord here was getting a little spicy when I was moving it around because I think there might have been a little short circuiting happening, but everything seems to still be working fine. So just if you touch the wire, you get a little tingle, that's all. But you gotta be careful with that 220 because it'll bite you. Had a bit of a fried egg kind of sound coming out of this one a minute ago, so I figure I'll just shut it down for the moment. Shut down the power, probably let things dry out a bit and then do the other side. So I think how I'm gonna set things up is gonna be like the doors here. This will probably get open to be a door eventually because that leads to the gate. Here is gonna be like the shop area with like toolboxes and all the metalworking stuff here with maybe like a big table on the other side of this thing, like right there. So this will be kind of this post over. Then this back area will be like area, hopefully we'll have like a rotisserie or something there. This area here will be more like midterm projects, cars on jack stands. And this area here we'll try to keep mostly open for stuff to come and go through the door, this door and this door. So I brought a bunch of stuff in here now. Well, not a bunch of stuff, a few things. So just kind of laying it all around right now just because I gotta get it set up, but I think that's it for what I'm gonna do today. As you can tell, it's raining, so we'll have to come back and finish the setup here another day. And now I gotta go look at a door for sale here. Someone's selling a door, like 3 meters by 4 meters, so it could be pretty good for this wall. We're gonna go check it out.